Will I be here next year, or aren't these my best years yet? That matches your shirt. Was looking forward to being important, but I'm not important yet. If you burn this scene on a movie screen, is it called a happy end? If the world gets me where I'm supposed to be, will I know I've made it then? It's so hard. Can we skip to the good part? Take time, mom and dad, they have a good life, but what am I gonna do with mine? These things take time, mom and dad, they have a good life, but what the hell am I gonna do with mine?